So I fell off my TERN e-bike a few days ago and really hurt my hip, sadly, but that's getting better. But the bike itself survived reasonably intact, except that it's broken this front mudguard. The bike's on its end at the minute. But yeah, this is broken here, and this is detached, this stay. The other stay is okay, but I think what I'm going to do is take it off and put a sort of aluminium strap around it, perhaps, and see if I can't get it going again. So I need to take this mounting off for a start. This is the clip for the pedal. One of the pedals comes off when it's folded, just to reduce the width of the bike. And I put this on. It's off eBay somewhere, but it's just a parking place for the pedal once it's removed from the crank. Just stick it in here, it just keeps it out of the way and stops me from losing it. So that's that. As I put that back on, I guess. Save me losing it. These screws here are 3mm hex. Oh, and it's just a self-tapper into plastic, by the looks like it. So I think this is actually aluminium. Is it? There's only aluminium in it. It's plastic coated somehow. Very light. Quite a nice mudguard, really. Looks like these mounts just push on, maybe. And the self-tapper winds itself into there. Yes, it's got a bit of the mudguard trapped in it. Oh, I see. So there's a hole in the mudguard, and the single screw goes through into here, but also just catches onto the edge of the mudguard. That's quite neat. Good. Okay, so I washed the mudguard slightly, and yeah, this rubber sort of mud flap is held on with one of these trim type tabs, which I don't think I need to take off, so I'll leave that on. The actual attachment to the bike, the stays, work through these plastic parts that hook over the lip on here. There's obviously a hole here, so the hole lines up. This comes off, by the way, so the hole lines up. This part fits on and just screws into place, thereby passing through the mudguard and locating it. And the underside of this removable part is a hole. So the stay, just the wire end of the stay, just slides into that attachment. So it's pretty neat. So what I'm going to do, I think, obviously the one on this side is just gone, and it's also a crack across here up to about there. So I've already just drilled a hole through there to stop the crack. But I've also got a piece of aluminium, just a scrap piece. So I think I'll try and cut a strip off that and bend it into the mudguard. I'm hoping that I can persuade this to fit over the aluminium. So I put a crack stopper in here. Looks to me as if there will do. So snip this bit out. Try and get it bang on the line. Good. Drill this hole for a start and work from there. These are good automatic punches, by the way. really strong stainless screw. I'll put some Loctite on to hopefully keep this in place. Right, another hole through here. I'm not sure the diameter of that hole is less than 4. It's probably 3. I'll get the screw and check. That is, no, 3.8, so it's near enough 4. So yeah, a 4mm hole through there. I might actually put 3.5 because that screw will wind its way through anyway. Might just give a bit more purchase. It's a shame that I didn't extend this down to here. I suppose I should have taken this off. Maybe made this considerably wider, but I think it'll do. This should now fit on here, I think. Yeah, that'll do. With this one on here as well, should be fine. Okay, so these parts clip back on here. Just use this to line up the hole. So this just slides on there. And that goes that way, I think. Same the other side. Good, it's all back together. And yeah, seems as strong as it was and should last for a while. Thanks for watching.